Hello, good morning my dear students, class 5th. Today we will be discussing about future continuous tense. Okay, so are you ready? First we will see the examples that the Prime Minister will be meeting us at 10 a.m. The next one is I shall be inviting all my friends to my birthday party. So if you see here, will be meeting and shall be inviting. These phrases show the action. Which action? That will be going on in the future. So as a definition we can say this. We use the future continuous tense to speak about action that will be going on in the future at a certain point in time. The structure of future continuous tense would be shall be or will be plus verb plus ing. Okay. So in the singular and plural also we will see I and we use shall be. Okay. I shall be watching a film. We shall be watching a film. You, he, she, it. If these singular form of subjects would be there, we have to use will be. You will be playing in the park. He will be playing in the park. She will be playing in the park, or it will be playing in the park. And in the plural form, they will be playing in the park. Okay. Now we will see the terms when we use future continuous tense. First one is to project ourselves into the future. Okay, to project ourselves. Okay, if we are going to say something definitely, okay, so to project ourselves into the future. For example, we will see this. By September I will be speaking French fluently. So here I am projecting myself in the future, that in by September I will be speaking French fluently. Next term is for something continuing for some time. For example, let's go. They will be waiting for us. Okay. So something continuing. Okay. So let's go. They will be waiting for us. And the third one is for predicting or guessing about the future events. To guess the future events. For example, you will be missing the summer once you are back in England. You will be missing the summer once you are back in England. So here predicting or guessing about the future, that you will be missing the summer. Yes. Okay. Next we will see is, see, the exercise has been given here. Fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the verb in the brackets. Number 1, she dash take up a new job next week. Okay. Now here verb has been given take. Okay. So what we will write here? She will be taking up a new job next week. Okay. Next is they dash weave a new design tomorrow. They will be weaving a new design tomorrow. Next one is you, and the verb has been given play. So what should I write here? Will be. See, whenever continuous tense is there, future continuous tense is there, be should be there along with either will or shall. Okay. So you will be playing the guitar at the concert. It rain. Okay. It will be raining next month. The leader discuss. Okay, the leader will be discussing the important issue now. See the remaining 5 sentences 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 that you solve in your grammar book. Okay.